an innovator with a vision, a researcher with a mission, a scientist with a passion. One of the most revered Sri Lankan scientists in today's world. Born and raised in Sri Lanka, Dr. Sarath Gunapala is well known today as one of the leading scientists in the modern days. He received his primary and secondary education from Nalanda College, Colombo. Dr. Gunapala received his bachelor's in physics with honours from the University of Colombo, Sri Lanka in 1979 and master's in physics followed by his PhD in physics from the University of Pittsburgh in 1986. He joined NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California in 1992, where he later on served as the senior research scientist. Dr. Gunapala was actively involved in inventing and developing instruments for the use of space exploration, medical research, and more. He was the principal investigator of a major Department of Defense-funded infrared detector program at JPL. This also included an industry consortium formed between JPL and several major US industries. First demonstration of the 640 into 512 pixel portable LWIR QWIP camera was done by him in 2001. One particular application of this camera is breast tumor imaging system BioScan, developed by Omnicarda LLG. BioScan is based on portable QWIP technology. He initiated the antimonide superlattice detector development project at JPL in 2003, which led to the development of the complementary barrier infrared detector for long wavelength infrared applications. Later, in 2010, the antimonide superlattice detector development project led to the breakthrough in high operating temperature barrier infrared detector development. He succeeded in developing and delivering 9-band megapixel QWIP FPA sensitive in the 7.5 to 12 micrometer spectral range to the hyperspectral thermal emission spectrometer funded by NASA's Instrumental Incubator Program in 2011, and also developed an infrared search and track and a dual-band missile identification system for the Airborne Laser Program funded by the Missile Defense Agency in 2009. He has earned a number of awards and honors including SPIE George Gerard Award for Development in Quantum Structures Based Infrared Detector and Focal Plane Array Technologies for Aerospace Applications August 2018. MSS Herschel Award for Development of High Operating Temperature Barrier Infrared Detector. Military Sensing Symposia, March 2018. Sri Lanka Ranjana Presidential Honours, Sri Lanka, March 2017. Fellow NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, 2014. Outstanding Leadership Medal, 2014. Kirti Sri Feliciation, Nalanda College, Colombo, Sri Lanka. The distinguished Sri Lankan scientist, Dr. Sarath Gunapala, is here today with us. We may now have the privilege of listening to him. This is the 11th International